Hello friends, today I will show you how to access ec2 instance using cloudshell. There are a couple of ways to access the instance, but we'll see like two ways. One is through direct connect, and another is the cloudshell, which is console-based UI of the AWS itself. So first of all, let's create the key pair. This is my existing key pair, and I'll create this specific new key pair to just understand. We need to select the format as a PEM. Okay, just create the key pair, and this is very important, file. So just don't forget to delete this file or by mistakenly as well, because otherwise you'll be not able to access your instance in future. So just keep it in the safe place so that you can access it anytime. And now let's launch the ec2 instance. So let me just show you. This is inbound rules where you can define the inbound securities to which you want to allow to access the server. So here we have set up the SSH access, and we have provided the range as any range, so anybody can access this instance using the private key. Okay, and there are a couple of ways. Like if you want to put strong security over here, then you can create the ec2 instance as a private mode, and you can create another gateway server, public gateway server, and using public gateway server you can access the ec2 instance within that instance. So let's forget about that, and simple way we'll create the public ec2 server, and we'll access this through the cloud shell. Okay, and in here you need to provide the demo key of that. Okay, and let's launch it. Okay, so the instance is ready, and the first way is the simple and quick way is to just directly click on the connect and directly click on this button, and you will be able to connect to this instance immediately within a second. Okay, so we are in the this ec2 instance, and you can like play with this server, and you can assume that like you are in the same console. Other way is to connect through the cloud shell. So this is a good service which is AWS providing. This is kind of serverless console, and in cloud shell you can assume that you have the cloud-based server dedicated for you, one of the instance, and you can run any command, PowerShell command or Python command over here. And even though you can access the any ec2 instance as well, you can do anything. You can run any cloud shell APIs. Through that API you can put, delete any object of the S3 bucket. You can do a lot of things. You can go through the AWS documentation to understand more about this. So first of all, let's connect our instance. And another good thing is if you go to this tab, SSH client, they'll give you ready-made command over here, so you can directly copy paste. But first of all, we will need to download this key pair through which we want to access this. So in this cloud shell, this is one of the serverless server, and you need to upload your file over here, which we have recently downloaded. So first of all, I'll download this file over here. Okay, and you can see I have demo 2 over here, but and let me show you how to connect, but you will be not able to connect this because of the security. Okay, because it is not protected and it is like a public, so it is asking you to make the security of this file so that nobody else can access this file just for the security purpose. So first of all, let's set the security of this file. Okay, now let's run the command. Okay, so we are in the sandbox now.